That's Blake Shelton's new favorite song, no shit. Talk about an asshole. All right. It's hard to segue into it. I know, because you're an asshole. This young lady is not an asshole. This is Marion Gray. She's been singing with us for years. And we're going to let her show out a little bit. We're going to sing something together. Try to sing something.